Hello students, today I will discuss episode 4 of the chapter Height and Distances of class 10. एपिसोड 3 जो हम बनाए हैं उसमें शुरुआत में गलती कर दिए हम. I have told that I was starting episode 2. That was wrong. Actually I have started episode 3. एपिसोड 3 में हम बोल दिए हैं एपिसोड 2, तो थोड़ा सा वो तुम लोग अवॉइड करना. वो है एपिसोड 3 एंड टुडे आई एम डिस्कसिंग एपिसोड 4. I will discuss different types of problems. Number 1. A TV tower stands vertically on a bank of a river. From a point on the other bank directly opposite the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 60 degree. From a point 20 meters away from this point on the same bank, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 30 degree. Find the height of the tower and the width of the river. So, this is the tower and this is the width of the river. Someone is observing the top of the tower at an angle of 60 degree from here, and from C to D, that means he moves backward 20 meters to the point D, and from there he observes the top of the tower at an angle of 30 degree. We have to find the height and the width of the river. Let AB, BX and BC be Y. Now this ABC is a right angle triangle. In triangle ABC we have tan 60 equal to AB by BC. That is equals to x by y. This is x, this is y. Implies that root 3 equal to x by y. So x is equals to root 3y. So we get a relation between x and y. Now in triangle A ABD we have tan 30. This is equals to AB by BD. Implies that 1 by root 3 equal to x by y plus 20. Clear? Now from this we have root 3x equals to y plus 20. We know that x equals to root 3y. So placing here root 3y, we have y plus 20. This is 3y equals to y plus 20, which means 2y equals to 20, y equals to 10 meter. Since y equals to 10 meter, we can find the value of x as root 3 into 10. That means 1.732 into 10, which is 17.32 meter. So the height of the said tower is 17.32 meter and the width of the river is 10 meter. These are two required solutions. Clear? Now we will go to problem number 2. Before that, I am clearing this board. I think you have completed this one. Write these problems in your copy. Now, I will tell you the problem at first. The problem is, from the top of a 7-meter high building, the angle of elevation of the top of a cable tower is 60 degree and the angle of depression of its foot is 45 degree from the top of a 7-meter high building. So, the problem is AB is a cable tower and this ED, it is a building, high building. The height of the building is 7 meter. Someone from the top of the high building observes the top of the cable tower and the angle of elevation is 60 degree. the same time, he observes the foot of the cable tower at an angle of 45 degree, which is called angle of depression. Now this line is drawn parallel to this line. This is a transversal. So this angle means alternate interior angles, we know. So this is 45 degree. The question is, what is the height of the cable tower? That means we have to find the height AC. At first I will take this CDE. This is a right angle triangle. Let AB be X and CD be Y. In triangle CDE, we have tan 45 degree equal to DE by CD. That means 7 by Y implies that 1 equals to 7 by Y, which means Y equals to 7. Now, in triangle ABE, we have tan 60 equal to AB by BE. Now this BE is equals to CD. CD is Y, so BE is also Y, and the value of Y is 7. So in case of AB I write X, and in case of BE I write 7. Tan 60 is how much? Root 3. X by 7. Therefore X is equals to 7 root 3. So this is 7 root 3 and this is 7. Ultimately AC equal to 7 root 3 plus 7. That means 7 into 1.732 plus 7, which is 7 2 ja 14 carry 1, 7 3 ja 21, 22 carry 2, 49 plus 2 51 carry 5, 7 1 ja 7 5, 12. 12.125, ultimately 19.124 meter. AC is 19.124 meter. Now this is the height of the cable tower. Clear? So I have done problem number 2. Now I will discuss problem number 3. Before that, I am clearing this board. Now problem number 3. As observed from the top of a 75-meter tall lighthouse, the angles of depression of two ships are 30 degree and 45 degree. This is a lighthouse. observed from the top of a 75-meter tall lighthouse, the angles of depression of two ships are 30 degree and 45 degree. If one ship is exactly behind the other on the same side of the lighthouse, find the distance between the two ships. So, the lighthouse is 75 meter in height. Let this be AB. The first ship is taken at C and it is the second ship D. Let BC be X and CD be Y. We have to find the value of Y. Now this angle B is a right angle. So we take this right angle ABC. We have tan 45 degree equal to AB by BC. That means 1 equal to 75 by X. This is X and this is Y. Therefore, X equals to 75. In triangle ABD, tan 30 equal to AB by BD, implies that 1 by root 3 equal to 75 by X plus Y, implies that X plus Y equal to 75 root 3. That means Y equals to 75 root 3 minus X. That means Y equals to 75 root 3 minus 75. So ultimately we take 75 common, root 3 minus 1 meter, or Y equals to 75 1.732 minus 1 meter. Therefore Y equals to 75, no, we write implies that क्योंकि अभी बाकी है, into 0.732. तो क्या होगा, मल्टीप्लाई करना होगा इसको, 75 और 732, 732 75, 5 2s are 10, carry 1 16, 35 36, 14, so it will be 54 point, Y equals to 54.9 meter. This is the approximate value of Y. That means the distance between the two ships was 54.9 meter. And this is the result of the problem. Clear? Now, I will go to problem number 4. प्रॉब्लम नंबर 4 का स्टेटमेंट क्या है? आई एम रीडिंग द प्रॉब्लम. The angle of elevation of the top of the building from the foot of the tower is 30 degree, and the angle of the top of the tower from the foot of the building is 60 degree. If the tower is 50 meter high, find the height of the building. So there is a building and a tower facing each other. The angle of elevation of the top of the building from the foot of the tower is 30 degree. And the angle of the top of the tower from the foot of the building is 60 degree. If the tower is 50 meter high, find the height of the building. AB is the height of the tower, BC is the height of the building. AB is 50 meter. From the foot of the tower, somebody is observing the top of the building and the angle of elevation is 30 degree. That person is observing the top of the tower from the foot of the building and the angle of elevation is 60 degree. We have to find the height of the building. So let BC be X and CD be Y. This is X and this is Y. Of course, angles B and angle C are two right angles. So angle ABC triangle is a right angle triangle and BCD triangle is also a right angle triangle. In triangle ABC, we have tan 60 equal to AB by BC. Root 3 equal to 75 by X. That means X equals to 75 by root 3. It will be 75 root 3 by 3. So it is 25 root 3. Now in triangle BCD, we have tan 30 equal to CD by BC. That means 1 by root 3 equal to Y by 25 root 3. Therefore, Y equals to 25 meter. So the height of the building is 25 meter. This is problem number 4. Now we will go to problem number 5. Before that, I must clear this one. from a point on a bridge across a river, the angles of depression of the banks on opposite sides of the river are 30 degree and 45 degree respectively. If the bridge is at a height of 30 meters from the banks, find the width of the river. So at first I am drawing the sketch. This is A, B, C, D. This is 30 degree and it is 45 degree. Height of the bridge above the river is 30 meter. This is the width of the river. Someone is observing the two opposite banks of the river from a point on the bridge, and the angle of depression, these are angle of depressions. Now this is 30 degree, so this must be 30 degree. This is 45 degree, this must be 45 degree, because these lines are parallels and this is a transversal. This is parallel to this is a transversal. These two are alternate angles. Clear? I am not stating those things here. Now this is a right angle triangle, this is also a right angle triangle. Let this portion be x and this portion be y. Let BD be x and BC be y. In triangle, right angle triangle of course, ABD, we have tan 30 equal to AB by BD, which means 1 by root 3 equal to 30 by x. So x equals to 30 root 3. In triangle ABC, we have tan 45 degree equal to AB by BC, which means 1 equals to 30 by y. So y equals to 30. Width of the river is CD, that is x plus y. 30 root 3 plus 30, that means 30, 1 plus root 3, so it is 30, 1 plus 1.732, which means 30 into 2.732, ultimately 3 2 ja 6, 3 3 ja 9, 3 7 ja 21, carry 2, 3 2 ja 6 plus 2 8 and 0, giving this decimal. So it is 81.96 meter. This is the width of the river. Not tough. If you practice these problems regularly, you will be accustomed to these problems. अगर तुम इसको प्रैक्टिस करोगे एवरी डे, मतलब हर दिन 2 3 4 प्रॉब्लम्स इस चैप्टर से प्रैक्टिस करोगे तो ज़्यादा कुछ टफ नहीं होगा. इट विल टेक अराउंड 10 to 15 मिनट्स. अगर तुम इसी तरीके से करते हो तो लगभग एवरेज में 3 मिनट्स लगेंगे. तो 4 प्रॉब्लम अगर बनाते हो तो 12 to 15 धर लो. नाउ आई विल डिस्कस प्रॉब्लम नंबर 6. 6. Now I am reading this problem. Two poles of equal heights are standing opposite to each other on either side of the road, which is 80 meter wide. Two poles of equal heights. From a point between them on the road, the angles of elevation of the top of the poles are 60 degree and 30 degree respectively. Find the height of the poles and the distance of the point from the poles. Let the point be E. This is right angle and this is also right angle. Let this be X and this be Y. Let AB be X and BE be, let AB be Y and BE be X. Now AB equals to BC, it is equals to Y, given, so this is also Y. EC equals to 80 minus X. So in triangle ABE, right angle triangle, we have tan 60 equal to AB by BE, root 3 equal to Y by X. So Y equals to root 3x. In triangle ECD, of course right angle triangle, we have tan 30 equal to CD by EC, which is 1 by root 3 equal to Y by 80 minus X. So Y root 3 equals to 80 minus X. Now we can take this value of Y, it will be 3x equals to 80 minus X. So 4x equals to 80. Is it visible? Yeah. Therefore x equals to 20 meter. X equals to 20 meter. So what about y? Therefore y equals to 20 into root 3, that means 1.732. It will be 4, 6, 34.640, which is 34.64 meter. So the point E is 20 meter away from the pole AB, and it is 60 meter away from the pole DC. AB and DC are equal poles, but the point is not situated in the at the middle point on the road. This is near to AB pole and far away from the CD pole. Now the height of the equal poles is 34.64 meter. Clear? Very simple approach. You can do it in your copy. So you do it. You must write these things in your copy. अगर तुम खाली बोर्ड में देखोगे क्या हम लिखे हैं उससे कुछ नहीं होगा. You must write down this thing in your copy. Then it will benefit you. I will discuss problem number 7. Before that, I must clear this 6. What about the problem number 7? A man sitting at a height of 20 meters on a tall tree on a small island in the middle of a river observes two poles directly opposite to each other on the two banks of the river and in line with the foot of the tree. If the angles of depression of the feet of the poles from a point at which the man is sitting on the tree on either side of the river are 60 degree and 30 degree, find the width of the river. Okay. The man is sitting at the point A on a tree. This is a small island at B, and this width is the width of the river. There are two poles each at D and C. Now, the point, that means the man is sitting at the tree which is at a height of 20 meters. So I take this BD as X and BC as Y. Now this ABD is a right angle triangle and ABC is also a right angle triangle. Let BD be X and BC be Y. In triangle ABD, right angle triangle, we have, this is 60 degree and this is 30 degree. I must draw a line passing through this point A, hypothetical line. Now this line is parallel to this portion and this angle is equals to this angle, alternate interior angles. Similarly, this angle is angle of depression, so this angle must be equal to this angle, alternate interior angles, because I have assumed this line and this line are parallel to each other. So in triangle ABD we have tan 60 equal to AB by BD. That means root 3 equal to 20 by x. So x equals to 20 by root 3. In triangle, right angle triangle ABC, we have tan 30 equal to AB by BC. 1 by root 3 equal to 20 by y. So y equals to 20 root 3. The question is width of the river. Width of the river, here it is CD. CD is the width of the river. CD equals to x plus y. Root 3 by 3. One 38.56. This is the approximate value of the width of the river, 46.146 meter. 46.146 meter is the approximate value of the width of the river. So this is problem number 7. Now I will discuss problem number 8. Before that, I must clear the board. Now I will discuss problem number 8. A vertical tower stands on a horizontal plane and is surmounted by a flagstaff of height 7 meter. From a point on the plane, the angle of elevation of the bottom of the flagstaff is 30 degree and that of the top of the flagstaff is 45 degree. फाइंड द हाइट ऑफ द टावर। तो एक वर्टिकल टावर है और उस टावर के ऊपर एक फ्लैग स्टफ है। दिस इज द वर्टिकल टावर and here it is the flag staff. It is 7 meter. From a point on the plane, the angle of elevation of the bottom of the flag staff is 30 degree. It is 30. And that of the top of the flag staff. It is 45 degree. The question is, find the height of the tower. So this is A. Is it visible? Yeah. A, this point is B, this is C, and this is D. AB is a flag staff. It is kept on the top of a tower. The tower is BC. Someone is observing the bottom and top of the flag staff from a point D. So there are two right angles, ACD and BCD. I take BC as X and CD as Y. Let BC be X and CD be Y. In right angle triangle ACD, we have tan 45 equal to AC by CD, which means 1 equal to x plus 7 by y. So y equals to x plus 7, y equals to x plus 7. Now in triangle BCD, we have tan 30. Tan 30 equal to BC by CD. That means 1 by root 3 equals to x by y. So y equals to root 3x. We have to find x. So this y must be replaced. Root 3x equals to x plus 7. That means x into root 3 minus 1 equal to 7. X equals to 7 root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1 root 3 plus 1. That is 7 into 2.732 divided by 2. This is how much? 19.124 divided by 2. Approximately 9.562 meter. 9.562 meter. It is the height of the tower on which the flagstaff has been kept. Here. So this is the answer. Now I will go to problem number 9. प्रॉब्लम 9 बनाएंगे, 10 प्रॉब्लम्स हम बनाएंगे आज। 10 प्रॉब्लम शायद नहीं होगा। लेट्स सी। Problem number 9. The length of the shadow of a tower standing on a level plane is found to be 2x meter longer when the sun's altitude is 30 degree than when it was 45 degree. So, CD is the difference between, CD is the difference between the 2 points. We have to show the height of the tower. Let's see what is AB. Now, let this AB be M and BC be N. Let AB be M and BC be N. This is a right angle triangle. So in triangle ABC we have tan 45 degree equals to AB by BC. 1 equal to M by N. So M equals to N. In triangle, right angle triangle, of course, ABD, we have tan 30 equals to AB by BD. That means 1 by root 3 equals to M by N plus 2x. So we have to find M. Now M equals to N plus 2x by root 3. So M equals to, in place of N we can write M plus 2x by root 3. That means root 3M minus M equal to 2x. M root 3 minus 1 equal to 2x. M equals to 2x by root 3 minus 1, which is 2x root 3 plus 1 by 2, that means x into 1 plus root 3. So this was the height of the tower. Now I will do problem number 10. Problem number 10 is, first I am reading the problem. A tree breaks due to the storm and the broken part bends so that the top of the tree touches the ground, making an angle of 30 degrees with the ground. The distance from the foot of the tree to the point where the top touches the ground is 10 meter. Find the height of the tree. ठीक है? Question number 10. AC is the broken part and AB is the remaining part which is standing above the ground. Now BC is 10 meter. This is 10 meter. This is a right angle. We have to find this portion. Let it be X. Let AC be X. In triangle, right angle triangle ABC, cos 30 equals to base by hypotenuse. That means BC by AC. Cos 30 means sin 60, root 3 by 2. BC means 10, AC means X. So AC equals to 20 by root 3, which is 20 root 3 by 3. Implies that X is equals to 20 into 1.732 by 3. That means 2 2 ja 4, 3 2 ja 6, it is 34, 0, so it will be 34.64. And dividing by 3 we have 3 1 ja 3, 3 1 ja 3, 16, 3 5 ja 15, 1 14, 3 4 ja 12, 20, 3 6 ja 18. Almost 11.546 meter. 11.546 meter. So the height of the tree means height of the tree equal to AC plus AB. AC is 11.546 plus AB. Oh, I haven't solved AB. Again, I have to find sine. Sine 30. Sine 30 is perpendicular by hypotenuse. That means X. 1 by 2. We can use tan here. Tan for getting the value. Tan 30. Tan 30 is perpendicular by base. AB by BC. 1 by root 3 equals to AB by 10. So AB equals to 10 by root 3. So here we can find this way also, not taking this value, simply 20 root 3 by 3 plus 10 root 3 by 3. We have 30 root 3 by 3. That means 10 root 3. So 10 into 1.732. It will be ultimately 17.32 meter. So the height of the whole tree is 17.32 meter. Clear? So this episode 4, in this episode 4 I have done 10 problems. The problems are standard problems. Now in the next episode I will do some other type of problems. That will be also, that episode will have also 10 problems, standard problems. Clear?